With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, what is given? A disk of radius r is rolling down an inclined plane whose angle of inclination is given as to be theta. We need to find the value of the this acceleration. Okay, so 5 by 7 g sine theta, 2 by 3 g sine theta, 1 by 2 g sine theta, or 3 by 5 g sine of theta. So for example, if there is any body which is rolling from an inclined plane, okay, so for example, this is a disk. We just roll a disk from an inclined plane. Okay, this is a disk. Now, and it is sliding. Basically, its center is having an acceleration a, and the angle of inclination of this inclined is given as to be theta. Okay. Now, for any rolling motion down an inclined plane, okay, the value of the acceleration, the general formula for the value of acceleration is given as to be g sine of theta divided by 1 plus I divided by m r square. This is the general formula for any of the objects. So for example, this formula is valid for any of the object, whether it is a disk or a ring or a sphere or a solid sphere, hollow sphere, any formula, any case, it would be valid. Now it is a disk. Now for the disk, what is the value of I? We know that I value for a disk is given as to be mr square by 2. I for the disk is what? It is mr square by 2. Okay. So from here, what would be the value of I divided by mr square? What would be this value? So this value would be equals to 1 divided by 2 if we just cross it, multiply it. So our acceleration would then turn out to be g sine of theta divided by 1 plus I divided by mr square. So I divided by mr square is 1 by 2. So we can put the value as 1 by 2. So this would turn out to be g sine of theta divided by, if we take the LCM, it would be 3 divided by 2. So finally our acceleration would turn out to be, acceleration would be what? It would be equals to 2 divided by 3 g sine of theta. This would be the value of the acceleration. So which option is the correct option? 2 by 3 g sine of theta, B is the correct option. Hope you understood this solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.